Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the commercial bank app review to see with what using. So let's quickly dive into it. Help you decide if this commercial bank app is worth using. So let's get started. The commercial bank app offer a broad set of digital banking features: balance check, fund transfer, bills pay, mobile deposit, and loan management, making it a convenient tool for customers on the go. On the downside, the user frequently report performance issues such as login failure, slow update, unexpected permission, and also the managing phone calls on Android and the UI glitches, especially in the Android version, can be annoying. And also, if you are a customer of a commercial bank app and you want the everyday banking convenience, the app might be a better suit for you, but be prepared for occasional bug and make sure you are comfortable with the experience before relying solemnly on it fully. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.